Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you basically how to send the WhatsApp bulking messages with using robotic process and automation. In this I'm not going to write the WhatsApp message, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to use this tool and we are going to automatically send the message. So before going ahead, let me first show you see you how the things are. Here is this is the Excel sheet where I have contained the data. Just to demonstrate you, I have just taken the three. Here is the name, message that we want, and the status we are going to set. And now as you can see that the first step in the automation is that I have first set a comment about what is this project is about, the title. The next step in RPA, everything is about is about logic. How you are going to think about the logic. Stepwise, each and everything comes in the logic. So the first thing what we are going to do is that we are going to open the input file where the data is preserved. So that is we are here. After that, opening our Excel file, we are going to show it the path where it is so that it can find where we have stored that file. And after going in that file, we are going to open it. We have just here click the tick marks because our that sheet contains the header, which is basically the name and the message and the status. The actual data starts from row 2 to row 5. As you can see that I have selected here specific rows because our actual data starts from row 2 to row 5. Row 1 is about the headings, so we are not going to include that. And I have assigned the variable Excel data sheet to it so that the output it generates we can use this variable instead of going all the way through back. Then after that we have used this send WhatsApp message. This is basically a comment. This is nothing more than that. And now the first thing we are going to do after fetching the data is that we are going to open the browser. We are going to open the Google. So as you can see that I am going to open a new tab and the last used browser tab, Google Chrome, and then we are going to search for WhatsApp. The timeout for this section is 240 seconds. Then I have used a for loop. The for loop is basically because in the Excel data we have to do it repetitively, the same task, the value inside it just going to change but the structure is going to remain same. That is to fetch the name of the person, type it in the WhatsApp, and after typing it in the WhatsApp, send a message and do repeat the steps. So we have entered the for loop. Yeah, here it comes. So here is the browser one, which is our WhatsApp, which we are going to use. Here is basically I'm going to show you the preview of the object that is going to be happening. As you can see that we have to type the message here, and after setting the text we are going to just give it the we are going to set the text which we want to set. In our case we are basically going for Excel row 0. See, this is the Excel, and here it starts from A, B, C, and here it is 1. So here it is in column wise. If you see the numbering, it is A0, then it is B1, and it is C2. It starts from 0 1 to here, and it starts from 1 2 3 4 in the bottom. So while approaching from left to right, we are going to use the 0 because the 0 contains the name, not the 1. So we have specifically mentioned it that we have to use the 0th row, 0 column. And after that And after that, we have this. We have again selected the same browser which we are going to use. Mhm. And then this is the basically just a preview of how we are going to do the things. After clicking in the row text one, so yes, after clicking there, we are going to just type the message here. Let me show you the preview if I can. Yes. So here is the preview of the message that we are going to show you. After that, we are going to again set the text, which is Excel1, which this time we are going to use that because we are going to now send the message. The time between the key store, which is the pressing between each is 100 millisecond. I have chosen it so that we can see what all things gonna happen. After that, we are just going to click on the send button as you can see here, and then we will close the file, and if anything happens we will check the errors. So now let's run the demonstration. One guideline, I have not updated the text which is pending or sent. We are going to do it later. So it is downloading the dependencies, so it is taking the time. As you all can see, bot is running. Okay, it has open spreadsheet. It has saw the text we are going to enter, that is Chinmay. It is now on the browser also. It takes time, it runs little slow. Okay, so it has fetch it. Now it is going to type the text. As you can see, it is automatically typing the text. Now as you all can see that it is manually typing it. I'm not doing anything. So yeah, it's typing. Yes, as you all can see. Let me show you a little bit more by. Yes, the message has been sent. Let's get back to, okay, the bot has run successfully. So we are going to close this. And that's all. That's I can think you should know. So let's close it. Thank you guys.